Hey everyone, are you having trouble with your Anker Soundcore 3? Not to worry, because today I'm here to guide you through the process of how to fix Anker Soundcore 3. This compact and reliable speaker is beloved for its powerful sound and long battery life, but like any tech device, it can occasionally run into issues. Whether you're dealing with connectivity problems, charging issues, or audio glitches, we've got solutions for you right here. Step 1. Troubleshoot connection issues. One of the most common problems is connectivity. If your Anker Soundcore 3 isn't connecting to your device, here's what you can do. Restart Bluetooth on your device. Begin by turning off the Bluetooth on your phone or tablet and then turning it back on. This simple step can reset any lingering bugs affecting the connection. Forget and repair the device. Go to your device's Bluetooth settings and select Forget for the Anker Soundcore 3. Then, turn the speaker off and back on, setting it to pairing mode and reconnect it with your device. Step 2. Address charging problem. If your speaker isn't charging properly, it might be due to a faulty cable or port. Inspect the charging cable and port. Check your charging cable for any signs of damage like fraying or kinks and ensure the charging port is clean from dust or debris. Use a different compatible cable if necessary. Reset the speaker. To perform a reset, press and hold the Bluetooth and volume up buttons simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds until the speaker powers off. Then, try charging it again to see if the issue is resolved. Step 3. Fix audio playback issues. Experiencing sound-related troubles? Here's how to fix them. Check audio source. Ensure that the audio file or streaming service is not the source of the issue. Test playing different audio files on your device. Adjust speaker setting. Look for any unusual EQ settings on your device that might affect the sound quality. Often, resetting these to the default can solve audio issues. Step 4. Perform a firmware update. Sometimes a firmware update can address various bugs. Install the Anker Soundcore app. Download and install the Anker Soundcore app from your App Store. It can guide you through checking for and installing firmware updates, which can enhance performance and fix existing. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix Anker Soundcore 3. Most issues can be resolved by troubleshooting connections, addressing charging problems, checking audio playback settings, or updating the firmware. Remember to take care when handling the speaker to avoid damage and always prioritize using the original or certified accessories. Enjoy your music the way it was meant to be heard, loud and clear. If you continue encountering problems, consider contacting Anker's customer support for further assistance. Happy listening.